CES 2026. Hey, I'm taking a look at JMGO, and I've got Joy here. Go ahead and tell me what you got going on.
Hi, hello guys. This is our flagship product. We name it as N3 Ultimate. It will be launched in Q2 this year. The brightness of this projector will be reached around 5800 ISO lumens. It's quite bright.
That's
and vivid images both in the daytime and nighttime.
That's incredible. That's extremely good. So one of the nice things about this one of the things that I found that I don't really like about short throw projectors is that if you've got a curtain that is kind of wavy, anything like that, that's going to really show up. But this one actually projects from the rear, which is the way I think a projector should be. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, definitely. Another feature of this projector is it has the tracking gimbal. So normally when we set up a projector, we need your hands on the projector to adjust the angles.
Right.
But with our N3 Ultimate, what we can do is we long press system.
Okay.
And you can see the projector goes.
Oh, nice.
Followed by my hands.
Oh, whoa. Okay,
yeah.
That's cool.
So you can just comfortably sit on the sofa and set up the projector by yourself.
Smart. Yeah, that's cool. So that way, if you got that guy sitting on a table or something like that, and then somebody bumps it, you can just do it without having to get back up.
Yeah.
Okay. And so what kind of inputs do we got for this guy? HDMI, that kind of thing?
Yeah, we have the HDMI and we have Google castings.
Okay.
So all kinds of connections we can do.
That's great. Okay, and what kind of a size of screen could we get daytime if we wanted to have this thing outputting? How big can we look at?
Well, we can do up to 300-inch screen and even bigger. But for the 300, we can give you lossless images, very vivid.
Wow. 300 inches, I think that's the largest I've seen for a projector. We're looking at, that will fill up your entire wall, for sure. That's incredible. It actually might be even taller than that. Woo! Wow, how about that?
Okay. And we have a demonstration over there. Would you like
to
take it?
Okay.
Yeah. Here we have a fully demonstration of the function of our projector, the lens shift function, in both directions, from up to down and from left to right. Okay. So the angles you can see here is 130 degrees vertical and 53 degrees horizontal. Enables the projector to give the full use of your wall.
Yeah, that's actually really cool. So, and it's doing that with the projector itself internally.
It can be controlled with the remoter.
Okay.
Because for this demonstration, we just build it in automatically programmed for the demonstration.
Okay.
But in your daily use, just like this.
Oh yeah, hey, that's actually cool. I like the frame on that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But it's a Chinese version because the product is not ready right now.
Right.
It will be released on Q2.
Okay.
So it goes up and left.
Nice.
And right.
So that's going to be ready Q2 2026. What kind of a retail price will we expect for this guy?
Can't say right now because it's not ready. So just full of inspection of our projectors.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You have an excellent day.
Thank you.
Right on.